I'm just
So, welcome everyone to the Gift Call Wednesday. And I was talking to Vandana, and I asked her to ask a question on daily basis, or all of you can ask this question whenever you are in meeting with someone, or whenever you are trying to convey your deals in business, whatever that is. What would it take for me to out manipulate? Because sometimes people are selfish, sometimes they're mean, there are all sorts of people. So, what if you have that energy of out manipulating them in every way? And what if you make a demand, whatever it looks like? I am having what is mine. Like, be the demand on yourself. I am having what is there. Like, हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या होता है? तो ठीक है, होने दो या ठीक है, थोड़ा सा चला जाएगा तो क्या? बट व्हाट इफ यू एंड व्हाट दैट इज नॉट अ रॉन्गनेस, दैट इज नॉट अ राइटनेस, बट यू डिमांडिंग ओके वट एवर देयर इज you can have it. You don't have to give away you or give away your things to everyone around you. That is the fifth element. Outcreate you every day. Every day. What would it take for me to outcreate myself today? आउट मैनिपुलेट और आउट प्ले पीपल, क्योंकि लोग क्या करते हैं, वो आपको बातों में घुमा देते हैं। फिर आप घर आके सोचिए, अच्छा मैं तो ये सोच के गई थी लेकिन ऐसे तो हुआ नहीं, और मैंने ऐसे सोचा था वैसे तो हुआ नहीं। सो बी विलिंग टू आउट प्ले, आउट मैनिपुलेट whatever creates greater for you, and it is not from a selfish point of view, but what if you start living for you? Everything that doesn't allow that, will you not destroy till times of God's healing, please? Right, wrong, with bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, provides, and beyonds. So, Vandana, that helps. Okay. So, what questions do you have for today?
I have a question.
Okay.
मोनिका जी, हमारा काफी रियलिटीज चेंज हो गई हैं. वी आर मतलब कि एक एक्सपेंशन है. लाइक वी डोंट जज, बट व्हाट अबाउट द पीपल अराउंड, द फैमिली मेंबर्स? वो दे आर स्टिल ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम दैट लिमिटेशन, एंड दे ट्राई टू पुल अस डाउन एंड ट्राई टू put into that box, into that structure where we don't want to, but sometimes we have to get into, and then becomes like it is not my life. And there is a suffocation, there is like a sort of control or uncomfortable sensations.
So, see, only you have the power to stop you. No one else can. तो जब हम बात करते हैं फैमिली पुल डाउन कर रही है, मैं ये नहीं कहती कि हम सही हैं फैमिली गलत है, नहीं, या हम गलत है फैमिली सही है, दोनों ही चीजें सही नहीं है। बट if they try to pull you down, what if you amp yourself even more? What we try to do is, जब जजमेंट होती है ना तो हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं खुद को। जब कोई आपको जज करता है तो पहले की बता रही हूँ, अभी तो सब चेंज हो चुके हैं, कुछ चेंज हुए, कुछ चेंज हो रहे हैं, कुछ सब एवरीथिंग इज देयर। सो जब भी कोई जज करता है, यू ट्राई टू कंट्रैक्ट यू, लाइक वो थोड़ा और छोटा, ये थोड़ा सा और हाइड कर लूँ ताकि वो जजमेंट ना मिले या कोई हमें जज ना करे। But when your family is trying to pull you down, what if you amp your capacities more? Because they're trying to control you in any way. अब किसी न किसी तरह से आपको कंट्रोल करेंगे ही। कोई एक छोटा सा लूप मिलना चाहिए ना पकड़ने के लिए। बट इफ यू expand you more, would they able to pull you down? Everything that is Sam's God children, will you destroy it all, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pot, college, boys, and girls. Everywhere you have given your family the points that trigger you. हम खुद ही कहते हैं, हम खुद ही बातें बातें में सब कुछ हमें तो सब सच बताना होता है ना, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वो पॉइंट्स भी दे देते हैं जो हमें ट्रिगर कर रहे होते हैं, और जब कुछ नहीं मिलता तो वहीं पे हिट होता है जहां पे ट्रिगर हो रहे हो। So everywhere you have showed your weaknesses to people, will you now destroy it all the time? So God's healing, please.
Yes, yes,
Right,
yes,
wrong,
please.
good, bad, for college, boys, for ads and beyonds. So everywhere we have bought into the point of view that we have to tell the truth, nothing but the entire truth. Can we all revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroying real times the God's healing? Right, wrong, good, bad, what, coalition, boys, boys, and beyond. Tell them only first what they can receive. Second, you're not giving everything that you are looking to create or you're going to create. Because sometimes that also stops your creation. Go with how much they're willing to receive and what they are willing to receive, and go with your awareness. Okay? Right, wrong, good, bad, what, coalition, boys, boys, and beyond. Yeah,
Yes.
yes, Arshia, you raised your hand. Yes.
Hi, sorry,
Hi.
I can't come on the screen at the moment, feeding my child.
Yes, okay.
There is this situation I just faced. Like, since you know that I'm just abhi filhal a homemaker, staying home with the baby. And last time also we discussed about this thing that पति से पैसे निकलवाना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है. एंड मतलब बहुत लड़ाई झगड़े करने पड़ते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा वो कहते हैं ना, टोका टाकी करनी पड़ती है हमको कि भाई दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो. चलो पैसे दे दिए, अब उसका खर्चा भी आ गया. मतलब खर्चा क्या, आई एम स्टेइंग एट होम बट समहाउ और दी अदर आई एम नॉट एबल टू सेव अप. लाइक कुछ बिल्स पे करने थे छोटे मोटे अपने, तो वो आ गए. सो व्हाट शिल आई आस्क कि अगर वो पैसा आया है तो आई एम एबल टू सेव अप और प्रोबेबली डू अ लिटिल छोटा मोटा इन्वेस्टमेंट आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली आई एम 26 एंड मेरे नाम पे कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास अभी.
First of all, there are so many things in this question only, and I would like to go with a few for now.
ओके.
पहली बात तो कि पैसा पति से. What if you can have money from, like, there is not one particular source from which you can receive money, which you have
ओके.
decided is your husband. So the presumptive reality is that you already have here,
ओके.
the money will come from my husband only.
या
Yeah,
गॉट इट.
it should show from my husband, क्योंकि भाई शादी हो गई है, उसका फर्ज है मुझे पैसे देने का, और मेरा है everything that is. Will you destroy it all?
यस.
Right, wrong, and bad, what for college, boys, boys, and girls. Second was the judgment that you have of you. I'm not earning, or I'm not doing something, or this and that. What if those judgments are not allowing money to show up with these for you?
यस.
Third, all of you on the call now and listening in the future, start your 10% account. So whatever money you receive from husband, from salary, from anywhere, put 10% as an honoring of you. Even if that is not an investment, but that is an honoring. So you don't have to use that 10%.
गॉट इट.
So
गॉट इट.
once you start at 10%,
या.
and there are like थोड़े से महीने भी हो जाते हैं, still don't use 10%, because the moment you will use a 10%, your financial reality will go down.
यस.
So you have to put your 10% away as an honoring of you, and then the universe also, okay, this person is honoring, and the universe will honor you with every choice that you make.
Okay. And one more little question. The thing is that I like last when we talked about this thing that household work, right? So I won't say things are exactly very better, but yeah, they are cooperating with me and they are handling the baby with me. So I have joined this course about digital marketing. So the little difficulty that I face is concentration. You know, that I study for half an hour, then I'll have to get up because of the baby. मतलब I am not able to focus and complete. अभी तक मेरा complete हो जाना चाहिए था, but मैं complete ही नहीं कर पा रही. Something or the other just turns up. Like something or the other, maybe regarding the baby, maybe regarding the kitchen. Somewhere I'll have to go. मतलब there will be something or the other that'll be turning up. How do I get about that?
For that, you have to function as an infinite being. Interestingly,
Okay.
right now होता है ना कि if I'm doing this, I can't do this. But you, as an infinite being, can manage various things at the same time.
Yes.
If it's your point of view, I can't concentrate if I have to do this work in the kitchen or I have to look after the baby. No. When I am doing a call, when I am facilitating, I'm also present with what is going on around me. It is not that I have to concentrate only at one thing at one time. No. You can do various things at the same time, and you have done that. But acknowledge that you have a capacity to handle various stuff at the same time.
Okay.
Once you acknowledge your capacity, you will be able to utilize it more for you.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, work. All nations boys for answer me answer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Vanna?
So, Monica, in the foundation, they had said that this 10% must never be touched.
Yes.
So that I have heard so many variations from so many CFs that you can buy gold and whatever, or you can put it in investments in a separate investment account.
No, see, Gary has said कि investment इसलिए मना करते हैं because somewhere investment का होता है point of view कि हम आज invest करें तो ये हमें आगे चल के इसका return आएगा. Gold and silver is okay because उसकी intrinsic value बढ़ जाती है and somewhere आप वो liquid cash की जगह उसको solid में gold silver convert कर रहे हो. So that is something that you can do. You can turn it into gold and silver. कुछ लोगों की habit क्या होती है कि उनको जैसे cash रखा होता है ना तो they have the urge to spend it. तो जैसे कुछ लोग अपना 10% रख ही नहीं पाते तो उनके लिए कहते हैं कि भाई जब आपका थोड़ा सा कट आप उसको क्योंकि अगर लिक्विड कैश है तब आप इजीली स्पेंड कर पाओगे. गोल्ड के लिए सोचना पड़ता है ना, अच्छा मुझे जाके चेंज कराओगे तब आप उसको स्पेंड करोगे. तो डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ अ पर्सन फंक्शन विद 10%.
But
लेकिन
Monica, when I'm buying the gold, I'm already buying it at a depreciated value because I'm paying for the banwai and everything.
सी दे आर नॉट सेइंग अबाउट अगर आप ज्वेलरी की बात करते हो तो आप उसमें लेबर चार्ज देते हो और उसमें वो देते हो और जब फिर आप उसमें देखो कि उसकी वैल्यू टाइम के साथ बढ़ेगी. अगर हम सॉलिड गोल्ड की बात करते हैं सपोज
अच्छा, आप
that has a different thing.
आप गोल्ड ब्रिक की बात कर रहे हो.
If you are buying a coin or a biscuit or this or the silver thing with the raw form of it, whatever brings you pleasure,
खरीदना है.
तो उसमें आप क्योंकि वो डेप्रिशिएट वहां पे होती है जब आप ज्वेलरी में क्योंकि स्टोन्स आ गए डायमंड आ गया तो वहां
So
पे
I got those earrings, diamond earrings from my 10%, and after that my income stopped for 2-3 months. I was like, what's going on?
see, even if you are buying from a 10%, is that making your body happy? If you don't judge, I have like sometimes the 10% is like I would like to gift myself something from that. That is different. बट इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात इसलिए नहीं करती क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट से हम एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि इससे हमें रिटर्न आएगा. सेविंग कर रहे हो आप 10% you can turn it into gold, silver, whatever you that brings joy.
Honoring me. Anything that
Anything that
I want
honors
a
you.
gold chain, I can buy it because it honors me.
Whatever honors you, it is an honoring of you.
Understood. Now
So
I understand.
10% से हम एक्सेस के क्लासेस के लिए भी स्पेंड नहीं करते. कुछ लोगों को होता है कि वो अभी भी बस पैसे नहीं है तो वहां पे कैरी ने बोला कि कभी कभी आप उससे बोरो कर सकते हो इफ यू वुड लाइक बट यू हैव टू पुट इट बैक. जैसे आपके पास पैसे आते हैं पुट इट बैक. So you can borrow it, but you have to put it back. You don't have to spend your 10%. Difference आ गया थोड़ा सा.
Understood. So, like if I'm really desiring a nice gold chain, that is honoring me, so I can pick that.
What if you can create more to buy a gold chain rather than looking at your 10% to buy a gold chain? Difference in the point of view.
Okay, yes.
How much more can I create to buy this rather than, oh, I have the 10%, I can buy from this? No. जब हमें लगता है ना कि खर्चे ज्यादा हो रहे हैं नहीं सॉरी इनकम इतनी है खर्चे ज्यादा है तो लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या होता है खर्चे कम करने चाहिए. बट व्हाट इफ यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग मोर क्रिएटिंग मोर. आप उस चीज को बढ़ाओ रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम्स को बढ़ाओ. ये नहीं कि खर्चे कम करने. सिर्फ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का डिफरेंस आया है.
And you know what the Arshia was saying before me? That for her also that would apply. What would it take for me to out manipulate the situation? Because you know, when you're with people and living with people, I live alone, thankfully, so I don't have people around. But there's a lot of manipulation required of husbands, in-laws, etc.
And what if you don't make yourself wrong for manipulating?
Correct.
क्योंकि वो गिल्ट फैक्टर आ जाता है ना बाद में आपने कर तो लिया बाद में जब खुद के साथ बैठ जाओ तो अरे यार देन यू गो टू योर गिल्ट. So that is a distractor implant. And you have seen how many people, when they do something, many humans, when they do something wrong, they're not guilty for that. They don't
No.
take that on themselves.
Absolutely.
and everything that brought
But
up.
my client is a crorepati and I get so angry. Why is he squeezing me for 10 lakhs? He's taking 400 people on a cruise, his distributors. But he's not made himself wrong
That's
for
why I
that.
asked, because you didn't, but that's what the energy showed was energy of out manipulation.
Yes. Now I'm
Right
going to
now,
use
with that
that
part,
one.
college and be that. Okay, I'm having that. This is mine now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Anna. Okay. Anyone else who has a question for today? Sonali, you had the question. You can go.
Yeah, there is poor connectivity. I cannot, I'm unable to switch on the video.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you for now. Yes.
Yeah, so, just when the call began and you were talking about, we are the ones who give our weaknesses out, mostly to our near ones, to our family. And, then on the basis of that, they control us or either diminish us or, manipulate us. But like, now, अभी weaknesses तो हमने already दे दिए हैं, उसका क्या करें?
Now it's the time to acknowledge your strongnesses. जो weaknesses होती हैं, अगर आप खुद को देखोगे कि जो आपकी weakness है, what if that is one of a strongness also? See, there
Okay.
is this chapter in Advanced How to Become One Workbook, जहाँ पे हम कहते हैं कि आप अपनी wrongness लिखो और अपना मतलब 5 characteristics लिखो जो आप हो, फिर आप 5 लिखो जो आपकी wrongnesses है, फिर उन wrongness का opposite लिखो.
Okay.
तो जिसको आप अपनी weakness मान रहे हो, what you have
हाँ.
decided is and as your weakness, what if that is your strongness? Everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive your strongnesses, which you will you defend your times of Kachilin,
Yes.
right, wrong, good, bad, proper, college, or boys, boys, and beyonds. For an infinite being, would there be any weakness?
No.
When you say, I have this weakness, how many point of views and thoughts, feelings, and emotions are you functioning from?
Many.
Everything that is, will you destroy it all?
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
wrong, good, bad, what, college, or boys, boys, and beyonds. And the last thing is, all the big five that you're using to think and create a point of view that you have a weakness or there is a weakness, whatever that is. Like this invention of weakness, will you destroy all times of God's will, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, what, call, in shorts, past, words, and beyond. So what if what you think weakness is might be an invention, might be a lie, might be anything else.
Yes.
So whatever, everything that is, will you destroy it all, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, call, in short, past, words, and beyond. Start acknowledging your strengths more and see what shows up with that.
Yeah. So this is actually, what I'm realizing is it is demanding more of me.
Okay. Is that easy? Is that fun? Is that joyful? Or is it uncomfortable?
So
What is it for you? Sonali, you are muted. I can't hear you right now. I think her network was a little weak. Aisha, you have a question or you can lower down your hand. If not,
Sorry, I'll just do that.
thank you. So, until Sonali comes online, Bhavna, you can go with your question, please.
Yeah. So my question is that I was working and I was earning quite well. And then, of course, like, I went through cancer, pelvic. So I got stuck at home.
Mhm.
and somehow I'm not being able to find a way of making my, generate my income, and depending too much on my husband, and his payments are stuck. So he's, whatever kharcha I want, like for example, I want to go for some treatment or something, or I want some money for myself, I don't seem to get from him. It's barely. I'm just, there were some things which I was paying with my from my salary for his some whatever he had taken on, वो जो कहते हैं ना किश्तों पे, बस वही fund आता है मेरे पास, और extra आता ही नहीं.
See,
And it's developing. It's really troubling me now. It's working on my.
in this reality, your body requires money. Being does not require money.
Yeah.
खाना बॉडी को खाना होता है, कपड़े बॉडी को पहनने होते हैं, पैसे की जरूरत से बॉडी को होती है, अगर हम बात करते हैं तो. Is your body, are you in gratitude for your body? How much do you judge your body every time? Have you asked your body to create you money? See, when you're asking for something, but it is like the energy, what you're asking for and what you're willing to have is not congruent with each other. So what you're asking for this, but there is like a conflict going on here. So all the conflictual realities that you have, all of you have in regards to money, how the money has to show up, how, why, when that has to show up, which way it has to show up, will you destroy in 12 times the God's alien? Right, wrong, good, bad,
Yes.
all in shorts, boys, words and beyond. Start with your body. Be more in gratitude for your body. Ask your body, okay, what consciousness, what does my body require today? Are you living this in this reality? No, are you surviving here, or are you just waiting to die? Truth. Everything that broad. Will you destroy real times of Godzilla? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, purple, should boys for what's Interestingly, हम सबको पता है जब हमें लगता है ना कि अब हो गया, अब नहीं झेला जा रहा, we put up a sign and another being walks into the body, and that we call a walk-in.
Yeah.
Sometimes with our choices also, we try to make a body die. आपकी body जब हमारी body deteriorate होती है, then your body, then there is some, then you have to ask, you have to talk to your body, ask your body to choose more consciousness, different. So everywhere you have given up on your body, you have given up on this reality, and you have given up on this life. Will you now destroy times the God's alien? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, college, and boys, words, and beyonds. Please, please, please ask this question: who and what am I dying to get out of? Everything that is times the God's alien. Will you destroy me all, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, college, and boys, words, and beyonds. Dying is very easy. Living takes a lot of courage.
Yeah, I'm dying to get out of this frustration and this kind of thing, which is.
And that is deteriorating your body.
Yeah, I've got all ulcers, and I keep falling. Yeah.
What if you can ask to be more conscious and choose more consciousness with ease, not with struggle, not with difficulty, with ease? And what are you trying to prove with all of this?
Not trying to prove, but it's just that it's suddenly becoming very not very comfortable.
See, sometimes क्या होता है कि when we are not well, जब हम ठीक नहीं होते तो लोग हमारी केयर करते हैं, या लोग हमसे पूछते हैं, तो हमें वो अच्छा लगने लग जाता है. अभी क्या होता है, जब आप ठीक हो जाते हो तो लोग इतना नहीं पूछते आपसे, फिर आप कहते हो अच्छा, जब बीमार थे तो लोग ज्यादा पूछते थे. Then you go back to that loop. Everything that is, will you not destroy your times of Godzilla? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all each other, boys, boys, and beyond. So everywhere, I'm not talking particularly about it, but in general, everywhere, You have been creating illnesses to be taken care of by your family. Will you now destroy your times of Godzilla? Right,
Yes.
my part for call and shots, voice for words and beyonds. Okay. Start asking more questions with your body. Also, start with the body work. Get work done on your body, please. Okay.
For that, I require.
Start with yourself first, and your body will invite other bodies also. Start with yourself first. Yeah.
Yeah, myself first, like in what way? It's not
You
clear.
can see, you can run your bars 2 or 3 bars at a time until unless you
Yeah.
find someone to swap with. But sometimes क्या होता है, when you are functioning with the need of getting things done, people are pulled back. They don't want to be there if you're functioning from a need. So let go of all the needs and see what changes with that. Need of money, need of you having people around, need of talking to someone. The moment you let go of need, people will be there around you. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, Vanna, you go next, please.
I just wanted to say that when you were doing those clearing for Sonali, which have now gone out of my head also,
मेरे
I
भी
I had so much fear coming up. And as soon as you start with Bhavna, the fear went. But while you were doing the clearings of Sonali, I don't know, I had so much fear. I was feeling sick, nauseated, and I was feeling terrified of doing this work. Like,
I
how
can't even remember what she was speaking about right now. Anyone remember what Sonali was speaking about? If you have that much mind, I don't have that much mind right now.
मेरा तो पूरा दिमाग से चला गया उसी समय. I mean, when I raised my hand. But
Basically, it was like, yes, when I was facilitating her, there was this energy, but the moment she went off, everything went off with her. And
yeah,
even remembers what Sonali was talking about?
so I'm just wondering, did I take on her energy when she was speaking, or what was it?
Maybe you are aware of something in her universe. Second, maybe that triggered something that was locked in your body as well. So sometimes कहते हैं ना कि जब हम क्लास में होते हैं, somebody is asking a question and you also get facilitated with that question. Because something same was there that was suppressed in the layers of your body as well.
So there's a lot of fear in me for doing this project because I'm feeling it's like it's in crores the project. So I'm like, what if I mess
Is
up?
that so also all the distractor implants of fear and doubt? Because with the fear, doubt also shows up. And both are the distractor implants. Both are not real. So the distractor implants of fear and doubt, holding this in place, will you distrangle times of ceiling? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot for coalition, boys for words and beyond. Whenever something like this shows up, all the distractor implants creating this, I distrangle times of Godzillion. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot for coalition, boys for words and beyond. Keep on doing this and start trusting you even more than before.
So I just need to say this. I don't need to say creating this fear.
Sometimes you don't have to even take the name of the distractor implant. That works.
Okay.
क्योंकि हमें लगता है ना कि वो 16 है, मैं 16 याद नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, कौन सा वाला होगा. But when this funky energy shows up, all the distractor implants creating this, I now destroying it all times of Godzilla. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yes, Dipali.
ममता जी मेरे कुछ दिन से लाइक आई हैव अ पेन इन माय टूथ और सेम पेन एग्जैक्टली जहाँ मेरे है वो मेरी फ्रेंड के भी पता चला जैसे नेक्स्ट डे. तो मुझे लगा मैंने उसके बाद आई केप्ट डूइंग आई रिटर्न टू द सेंटर आई डिड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बट अभी भी वो सेंटर यहाँ पर पेन अभी भी वैसे ही है. मे बी आई हैव टू विजिट डेंटिस्ट टुमारो बट इट इज देयर इज समथिंग
ऐसा नहीं होता, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप अवेयर होते हो बट कॉग्निटिवली अवेयर नहीं होते हो. लेकिन जब आप किसी भी दर्द को अपना बना लेते हो, योर बॉडी टेंड्स टू मेक इट उसका खुद का बना लेती है. फिर उसको डिसिपेट एंड रिलीज करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है क्योंकि उसको आपने अपनी रियलिटी ऑलरेडी बना लिया होता है. तो एवरीवे यू मीट दैट योर्स व्हेन इट वाजंट, will you destroy incredible times of God's healing? Right now, goodbye, pot for college, boys for boys and beyond. And everything you created and created based on that, will you destroy incredible times of God's healing? Right now, goodbye, pot for college, boys for boys and beyond.
Thank you. One more question.
Okay, go on. And then I'll move on.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्ट जोन में आ गई और मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम नॉट अलाइंग लाइफ
मैं
लाइक
तुम्हें
बॉडी टू एक्सपीरियंस द लाइफ
मैं तुम्हें हिला देती हूँ अच्छी तरह से, तुम्हारा कंफर्ट जोन में सारा बिगाड़ देती हूँ, फिर तुम कहोगे मैं ज्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल हो गई, मुझे भी आप फिर मुझसे लेके संभालो.
आई विजिट यू सून
What?
या
See, comfort zone is like, one thing is okay, I'm in my comfort zone. Second is, are you willing to step out of the comfort zone and take the next step?
समथिंग इज होल्डिंग मी बैक
You yourself, no one else. Everything that doesn't allow you to step out and be more of you, will you destroy times of God's children? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poke, should boys, for ads, and
थैंक यू सो मच
yeah, so welcome. So the last thing that I would like to say before I end the call, sometimes I read the question that was in the chat, even though that was a private message. Sometimes you're so aware of people judging themselves. And as you're aware of their judgments, you think that they are your judgments of them. So what if, when you're aware of other people judging themselves and you think that you are judging them, that is also not yours. Everything that is, will you not destroy your times a Godzillion? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, voice for ads and beyonds. So thank you everyone for joining me today. See you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Monica.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye
Sue.
bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, pretty lady.
Thank you, Monica. I needed to hear the last bit. Thank
Monica.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye-bye.